Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Teach Easy English podcast. I'm Dave.
And I'm Daisy. It is so good to be here with you all today. Our lessons are always simple, slow, and fun.
Hey, Daisy. Before we start, let's remind our amazing listeners about something important.
Oh, yes! Everyone, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.
Right. When you like and subscribe, it helps us grow and make more free English lessons for you.
And if you leave a comment, tell us what you've learned today or what you want us to talk about next time. We love hearing from you.
Great. Okay, Daisy, what are we learning today?
Today, we're going to talk about the present perfect tense and how to use it in your daily conversations.
Ooh, the present perfect. That sounds difficult.
Don't worry, Dave. We'll make it easy and fun. You'll understand how to use it when you talk about things you've done, things you haven't done yet, and your habits, the things you've always done.
Nice. So we'll learn how to sound more natural in real life.
Exactly. Okay, let's begin. Dave, do you remember what the structure is?
I remember it's have or has plus another word, right?
Yes, very good. The structure is simple. Have or has plus past participle.
Oh, like I have eaten.
Yes, I have eaten means you ate before now, maybe just a few minutes ago, maybe this morning. We don't say when. We only say it has already happened.
So it's about something before now, but still connected to now.
Perfect. You've said it very well.
Wait, I just used the present perfect. You've said it very well.
Yes, great job. That's exactly how we use it.
Okay, let's give our listeners some examples.
Sure. Let's imagine it's morning. Dave, what have you done today?
I've had breakfast, I've brushed my teeth, I've checked my phone.
Good. So you used have plus done. You didn't say when you did it. That's why it's the present perfect.
Oh, I see. I didn't say I had breakfast at 7 a.m. I just said I've had breakfast.
Exactly. Now it's your turn, listeners. What have you done today? Say it out loud. Maybe, I've woken up. I've gone to school. I've drunk my coffee.
Nice. It feels very natural.
Yes, and we can also use words like already, yet, and just with the present perfect.
Oh, I know those. Like, I've already eaten, or I haven't eaten yet.
Perfect. Already means something is done. Yet means it's not done, but maybe soon.
And just?
Just means a short time ago. For example, I've just finished my work.
Oh, that's useful. So in the morning, I can say, I've just woken up.
Exactly. You're learning fast today. Let's make a short practice game. I'll say a sentence and you repeat it after me. Ready?
All right.
I've already had breakfast.
I've already had breakfast.
I haven't checked my messages yet.
I haven't checked my messages yet.
I've just finished my coffee.
I've just finished my coffee.
Good job! Listeners, repeat after us. The more you say it, the easier it becomes.
Okay, so far we've used it to talk about daily actions, but what about life experiences?
Great question. The present perfect is also used for things you have done in your life at any time before now.
Oh, like I've visited Thailand or I've never been to Japan.
Exactly. I visited Thailand means sometime in your life you went there. It's not important when.
So we use it for experience, not the exact time.
Yes, let's practice. Dave, have you ever tried sushi?
Yes, I have. I've tried sushi many times. Have you ever cooked sushi yourself?
No, I haven't. I've eaten it, but I've never cooked it.
Perfect. I've eaten it and I've never cooked it. That's great use of the present perfect.
Thanks. Listeners, your turn. Think of something you've done and something you haven't done. Say it like this: I've traveled to, or I haven't traveled to yet.
Excellent. This helps you talk about your life naturally. Daisy, can we use the present perfect for habits too?
Yes, we can. When you talk about something that has always been true or something that started in the past and continues now.
Ah, like, I've always liked coffee.
Perfect example. It means from the past until now you like coffee. It's still true.
I've always loved music.
Me too. I've always enjoyed learning new things.
So that's another way we can sound natural, using I've always.
Exactly. You can also use I've never to talk about something that has never happened, like I've never driven a car or I've never met a famous person.
I've never met one either. Let's help our listeners practice. Repeat after us, everyone.
I've always liked reading.
I've always liked reading.
I've never played the guitar.
I've never played the guitar.
I've always wanted to travel the world.
I've always wanted to travel the world.
Wonderful. Keep repeating. This helps you think in English.
Sometimes I hear people mix the present perfect with the past simple. How can we know when to use each?
Good question. The difference is time. If you say when it happened, use past simple. If you don't say when, if the time is not important, use present perfect.
Ah, I get it. Past simple, I went to the gym yesterday. Present perfect, I've gone to the gym.
Perfect. The second sentence doesn't tell us when. It's about the experience or the result.
So I can say I've finished my work when I want to show it's done now.
Yes, that's exactly how native speakers talk. Okay, let's do one more mini practice game. I'll say a situation, you choose if you should use past simple or present perfect. Ready?
All right, let's play.
Number 1. I blank see that movie last night.
Last night. We know the time, so past simple. I saw that movie last night.
Correct. Number 2. I blank see that movie before.
No time given, so present perfect. I've seen that movie before.
Excellent. You got it.
Yay! Listeners, now it's your turn. Try to make one past simple sentence and one present perfect sentence. Wow, Daisy, this tense is really useful. I've learned a lot today.
You've learned so fast, Dave. See, you used it again. I've learned.
Yes, I've practiced it many times today.
That's how you start using English naturally, not by memorizing, but by using it in real life.
I agree. So, to our listeners, what have you learned today? What have you discovered? Tell us in the comments below.
Yes, please. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We've said that many times, haven't we?
Yes, we have.
Great example again. We've said that. That's present perfect.
I think we've helped our listeners a lot today. Remember, everyone, use have or has plus the verb. Use it for things you've done, things you haven't done yet, or things you always do.
Use already, yet, and just to sound natural. Practice every day. Talk about your life.
Exactly. Say things like, I've finished my work, I've had dinner, or I haven't gone to bed yet.
Beautiful examples. Well, everyone, you've done great today. Keep practicing and keep smiling.
We'll see you in the next episode of Teach Easy English.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.